वीईसी क्वीन ऑफ इंडिया में जब मैं सबसे पहले बार आई तो ऑब्वियसली एक लेवल ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट था, नर्वसनेस भी थी, दोनों चीज़ें साथ में चल रही थी. लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू न्यू इवेंट्स हैपनिंग एंड जो यहाँ पे सीक्वेंस चल रही है चीज़ों की, इट्स क्वाइट एक्साइटिंग एक्चुअली. नर्वसनेस तो अंदर रहेगी आई थिंक टिल द एंड. सो या.
Very well. So tired. I know, yeah. What is it today? Resort? Resort. Okay. What are you wearing? I'm wearing a dress with a slit. What about you? But I think my earrings I'm not carrying. Do you have something? Please check. मुझे ना. See, this is what I'm wearing. Wow, it's so nice. Huh? Very nice. I like it. So, I think probably they do it in the afternoon or something.
लेकर आई थी यार कपड़े
I've got shoes also, everything.
कभी करेंगे तो
Deepika is a tough competition, I guess, because her poses, the way she walks, and the poise she carries. So VEC was an unexpected opportunity that came in my life, and since then it has become my heartfelt desire. I felt proud to be a finalist as the VEC contestant because I have never been a part of pageant, and it was just like I have got something to that has given wings to my dreams.
Yeah, actually, I used to take detox water in the morning, which relax my body.
Healthy खाओगे तो healthy रहोगे. So eat well and stay healthy. ये हरा पत्ता सिर्फ हरा पत्ता नहीं है, ये है जादुई पत्ता, क्योंकि इसको खाने से हम healthy हो जाते हैं. So stay healthy. मेरा favorite breakfast है इडली सांभर because I love इडली. I have been to Kerala. वहाँ जाके मैंने इडली का जब टेस्ट किया, I was like fabulous, and that's why I'm again having this इडली. चाय एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो जिसने बनाई है, क्या चीज़ बनाई है, इसको पी के मुझे बहुत रिलैक्सिंग लगता है. पूरी दिन की थकावट मैंने ऐसे ही बिखेर दी यहाँ पर.
सो रिजॉर्ट वे अराउंड वॉज फैंटास्टिक. आई थिंक ये फीडबैक मुझे बहुत लोगों से मिला है, इवन पुराने कंटेस्टेंट्स जो यहाँ पे थे और जिन्होंने देखा कि वो कितना डिफरेंट था लास्ट ईयर से. आई थिंक सब ने बहुत मेहनत की है उसके लिए, इंक्लूडिंग मी आई वुड से, राइट फ्रॉम डिज़ाइनिंग. बट हाँ, थोड़ा चैलेंजिंग था शुरू में कि लोग कंफ्यूज थे कि ये बीच ये स्विमवेयर है कि रिजॉर्ट वेयर है, कैसे कपड़े होने चाहिए, कैसा पैटर्न होना चाहिए.
No, they are looking nice and the colors are also matching. I think weather is also blessed today.
हाँ,
We are blessed with the
sunny.
weather, so yeah.
But we had a problem with this flex. वो देख लो ना थोड़ा सा it fell down because of the bad weather last night.
And why we have changed the placements? Like yesterday, I saw that it was here, and then it was changed to
So all
inside.
because of the sun, कि it will look better. The space was more here. थोड़ा सा concrete है ना तो.
So difficulties ऐसे कुछ नहीं था. It was very good, and I didn't know that I am this confident to wear a dress like that what I wore today, and I am very happy about that.
Yeah,
So what do you think about the whole concept? I think the girls are looking very pretty.
they have all really tried hard to maintain the look and create what we actually expected from them.
I was surprised to see all of the girls, their pattern was matching, their color scheme was matching, and all of them walked very confidently. Or best part was it was matching with the theme. Like we did it poolside, so I think everyone enjoyed it. Though it was not easy, we were a little worried also because of the weather. It went really well.
Resort wear round was absolutely fabulous. Everybody, all the contestants, they were looking stunning. Okay, it was quite challenging to walk in those high heels, especially on the grass. But then everybody managed very well. So did I.
कोर्स सब बहुत एक्साइटेड हैं, एनर्जी डबल हो भी गई है, लोग थक भी गए हैं, लेकिन आई थिंक ये सब देख के जैसे पूरा फर्स्ट डे गया है एंड दिस द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आई हैव सीन इन द कंटेस्टेंट्स in day 1 and now the day 2 after the resort wear round. I think I am excited to see them, but I am also surprised by looking at few of them. They have performed beautifully.
BEC Queen of India 2025 Season 2!
I think I really liked Inu. I liked Sonia. Even other contestants. I think I loved Monica Saha the most. Why? Because the way she carried herself, the bandana on the top of that dress was a killer. So I think it was a good one, good decision for us to go for this theme. So it went really well. We all enjoyed it.
The resort wear round turned to be fabulous, and I personally thought it would be.
मैम, इस सेशन से पहले जो ये कीर्ति मैम का था फिटिंग, उसका क्या हुआ?
पता नहीं, चिराग ने मुझे फ़ोन करके बताना था क्या हुआ।
हाँ, 3:30 पे स्टार्ट था ना, मुझसे सारे कंटेस्टेंट भी पूछ रहे हैं कि नेक्स्ट क्या है, नेक्स्ट क्या है।
तो कॉल करो उसको, एक बार फिर से फॉलो अप करेगा।
ठीक है, वो इस पे
2 बजे का था यार, अभी 3:30 होने वाले हैं, ऐसे नहीं हो सकता, वी कांट डिले थिंग्स।
ठीक है मैम।
और कल्पना डिज़ाइनर भी तो आनी है, उनका कब का है टाइमिंग?
उनका ये सब चिराग सर को ही पता है।
आप प्लीज उसको बुलाओ एंड यू टॉक टू हिम, या फिर मैं अभी हम मिल रहे हैं वहाँ पे वेन्यू में तो बात करते हैं।
हाँ, वहाँ पे मिल लेते हैं।
कैसे लास्ट मिनट बहुत सारी चीज़ें थोड़ी ना एक दिन में हो जाएंगी सारी।
राइट, ठीक है।
ऐसे लास्ट मिनट स्ट्रेस मत दो।
दीक्षा का अभी नहीं पता मुझे, कल्पना आ गया, वो पूछ रही है, उसको हेल्प चाहिए आगे।
आ गया चिराग का फ़ोन। हाँ चिराग, हाँ ये क्या हो रहा है भाई? फिटिंग कब है? कल से चल रहा है ये, डे 1 पे थी फिटिंग्स, अभी 2 बजे का टाइम था, 3:30 होने वाला है, अभी तक फिटिंग्स नहीं हुई हैं। कल को कुछ आ गया, प्रॉब्लम हो गई, डिज़ाइनर आउटफिट्स हैं, उसमें ज़्यादा चेंजेस भी नहीं करा सकते हैं। कितने बजे आ रही हैं प्लीज़ मुझे बताओ फाइनल करके, दोनों डिज़ाइनर्स का बताइए प्लीज़, ठीक है? हाँ ओके, एक काम करो श्रेया, तुम जाके देखो ये चीज़, ठीक है ना? क्योंकि ये ज़्यादा डिले नहीं कर सकते। और मुझे बताओ वहाँ से फ़ोन करो फिर।
ठीक है मैम, मैं आपको
मैं ज़रा सुनैना को बात करती हूँ, देयर इज अनदर इशू व्हिच हैज हैपेंड, लेट मी कॉल हर अप।
हेलो, हाँ क्या हुआ?
1 मिनट आएगी आप प्लीज़, कुछ थोड़ा सा इशू हो गया है। हाँ
अच्छा ठीक है, आती हूँ मैं। ओके
ठीक है, या हाँ मेरे रूम में। ओके सी यू। क्या हुआ? अरे यार कल से प्रॉब्लम चल रही है, मतलब अभी तक मेरा तो दिमाग ख़राब हो गया है। अभी कल से कह रहे हैं कि अभी फिटिंग्स होनी है, डे 1 था कल, तो ठीक है आई अंडरस्टैंड, इतनी बारिश थी, सब था,
वेदर ठीक था आज क्या?
हाँ पता नहीं, 2 बजे का टाइम था, अभी देखो क्या टाइम हो रहा है, फिर टैलेंट राउंड है, इतने सारे सेशंस हैं अभी।
आज टाइम नहीं है हमारे पास यार,
सो वी हैव टू स्टिक टू द शेड्यूल, तो उनकी क्लासेस तो बैक टू बैक होंगी।
और नहीं, जो करेक्शन करना है वो आज ही करना पड़ेगा ना, कहाँ टाइम है हमारे
टाइम
पास?
नहीं है कल फिर ये सब चीज़ें करने का।
सेशंस है वो तो अपने हिसाब से लाइंड अप है, बिकॉज सारे हेयर बस सारे डेवलपमेंट सारे लाइंड अप है। तो आई थिंक बिफोर द टैलेंट राउंड यू हैव टू स्क्वीज आउट सम टाइम फॉर फिटिंग, बिकॉज
लेकिन आने भी तो चाहिए ना, देयर आर नो ड्रेसेस हियर। करें क्या?
फॉलो अप चिराग से बोलो,
वी हैव बीन फॉलोइंग अप सिंस यस्टरडे, बट आई डोंट नो एवरी डे देयर इज समथिंग।
बेटर वेदर, बट आई थिंक कल उनका जेन्युइन प्रॉब्लम था, वी अंडरस्टैंड।
ठीक है, बट अभी भी तो टाइम क्रंच है यार, मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा कैसे मैनेज किया जाए।
ये लोग रेडी होने के लिए चले जाएंगे, 1 घंटा उनको उसके लिए चाहिए। वे विल बी हैव टाइम टू गेट दिस। अगर कुछ भी दिक्कत होती कौन करेगा इसके बाद उसको फिटिंग्स वापस लेके जाने?
हमारे 2 सेशंस, अभी 2 सेशंस हैं, इट विल टेक at least we have 3 sessions in fact, तो हमारे पास 2
फोन
घंटे
कर रहा है अब चिराग।
हाँ तो 2 घंटे हैं, तो आई थिंक इन 2 घंटे में they should be here, बिकॉज उसके बाद हमारा सारा शेड्यूल फिर लेट हो जाएगा।
यार कल की प्रैक्टिस है, अगर कुछ भी दिक्कत होती है वापस
No,
क्या
because
लेके
exactly
जाएंगे
there
करवाने
won't
के लिए?
time
Don't
for
have time for
choreography
that.
also.
एब्सोल्युटली, कल कुछ हो गया, माल फंक्शन हो गया, हम क्या करेंगे
टैलेंट
यार?
राउंड विल टेक टाइम, गर्ल्स आर प्रिपेयर्ड।
बोलती हूँ, मैं बात करती हूँ उससे दोबारा, लेकिन इसको थोड़ा सा प्लीज करना पड़ेगा।
लेकिन ये आज ही करना पड़ेगा, we don't have
फॉलो अप
time.
कर रहा है, मतलब what is the reason? Is somebody coordinating and saying what is the delay? Where are they exactly?
कल स्टक थे, कल तो यही बात हुई थी
कल तो चलो,
बट आज का
reason
कुछ
समझ
नहीं
में
पता।
आता
शी
है।
वाज सपोज्ड टू रिपोर्ट एट 2 o'clock today, isn't it?
And the other designer also, I was thinking maybe she'll come by afternoon, but she's leaving from Delhi in the afternoon, so वो I think रात तक आएगी।
तो टाइम कहाँ है? दो डिजाइन अलग अलग।
नहीं तो आई थिंक लेट्स गेट ऑन टू दिस। चिराग को बोलो उनसे डायरेक्टली कोऑर्डिनेट जो भी कर रहा है उससे बात करें, बिकॉज वी जस्ट हैव दीस 2 hours एंड वी कांट डील।
चलो फिर वेन्यू पे चलते हैं, वहाँ पे अब डायरेक्टली जाके फेस टू फेस बात करते हैं, है ना? लेट्स मीट हिम एंड मेरे को कॉल पे लेना होगा तो आई विल आल्सो डू दैट।
वही करना पड़ेगा, दैट इज ओनली वे।
बट वी सीरियसली डोंट हैव टाइम फॉर एनीथिंग।
चलो ठीक है, लेट्स डू दैट।
इंट्रो का क्या है? इंट्रो भी मुझे मतलब अभी
नहीं इंट्रो के अभी आई सैट विद द गर्ल्स 1-on-1 जिनका थोड़ा सा इशू था, वी हैव सॉर्टेड इट एंड द गर्ल्स आर ऑन इट। आई एम श्योर दे आर गोइंग टू गिव अ बेटर परफॉर्मेंस।
हां, जिन्होंने बाइट्स दी उनका ठीक था।
द गुड थिंग इज दे आर प्रोएक्टिव, दे आर कमिंग, खुद से आ रही
हां,
हैं,
दे आर गेट आउट, या
अपना दिखा रही हैं, पूछ रही हैं, डाउट्स हैं कुछ क्लियर करने के लिए। सो 8 of them are
I feel I have seen a lot of more confidence in me, and I have learned a lot basically on the basis of Q&As and introduction round, where we need to pause basically, and the grace which Kirti ma'am has taught, how to reply on the Q&A round. So that was really helpful.
So it was to give it in advance. There's a sequence that happens. No?
But Kirti is also here, जो डिजाइनर है। इनको ट्रायल नहीं कराना है क्या? So this is your talent round? नहीं नहीं, ये वाला है ना? अच्छा, ओके ओके। This dupatta is simple actually. Are you supposed to put it like this? अच्छा, पिन अप किया हुआ है। अच्छा, this goes in front, is it? हाँ, ये ऐसे आता है, तभी दिखेगा ना ये this work। खम्बा जैसे पकड़ के दिखाने में कैसे लगोगे? इनकी वॉक कैसे होगी? कैरेक्टर में मत आ जाना। ऐसे मत
The moment you wear jewelry, then तो बिल्कुल ही वो बन जाती है।
नहीं, दीपिका को तुम देखो, खड़ी भी ऐसी ही थी।
साइड करो, don't get too much into it. He would be and ask for acting like that. It's not Balika Vadhu character.
हाँ। But oh, sorry, but it's looking nice. अच्छे different colors हैं. It's nice, pretty. Will you be able to walk like this? और ऐसे, है ना? हाँ, लेफ्ट साइड पे है क्या ये?
ये लेफ्ट साइड
लेफ्ट है, तो राइट पे रख के, then you can walk.
Of VEC, he is here to share insights and tips of good hair and styling. Please welcome Mr. Javed Salmani for a quick masterclass on hair styling and stage ready glamour.
Hello, good evening everyone. I'm Javed. I'm Celebrity Hairstyle. I'm many actors I did work together for hairstyling past 15 years. So आज हम सबको उन्हीं को सबको तराशने आए हैं कि कैसे सेलिब्रिटी ही सेलिब्रिटी नहीं होते, आप लोग भी सेलिब्रिटीज होते हो।
Our next mentor believes that a healthy mind and body together create the true foundation of success. Please welcome Ms. Rachna Mohan for her session on fit body and fit mind.
Hi everybody. Hi. थोड़ा सा मज़ा लेते हैं, है ना? और फिर ये मौका जो है ना बार बार नहीं आएगा और आप इसे याद करोगे. So basically I just make them being a participant of VEC last year I can share, or I do share the first-hand experience with the clients, and it's just that be yourself, right? So जो आपके दिल से बात निकलती है वो सामने वाले के दिल को छू जाती है. So you need to be yourself. जहाँ जिस लैंग्वेज में जिस तरह से आपको कंफर्टेबल लगता है, you should go ahead with that. I have a family of almost new family of almost more than 25 members. मतलब VEC की जो फैमिली है वो मेरे साथ ऐड हुई है, एंड आई मीन एवरी डे एवरी मोमेंट आप इस मंच को याद करोगे, राइट? सो थोड़ा सा माहौल को इंटरेस्टिंग और थोड़ा मस्ती वाला बनाते हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद यू. व्हाट्स योर गुड नेम? You just keep sitting, please. Yeah. Pardon? Farah. Okay. So Farah, let's do one thing. Farah से हम गेम स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं, and we'll continue. जैसे जैसे वेव चलती जाएगी, गेम आगे आगे बढ़ती जाएगी. ठीक है? So Farah, आपकी जो नेक्स्ट को कंटेस्टेंट बैठे हुए हैं, आपको उनकी एक लाइन में you just need to, मतलब आप उनका चेहरा देखेंगे, एंड जो आपके माइंड में पहली चीज़ आएगी, फर्स्ट सेंटेंस आएगा, आपको वो बोलना है. एंड सेम we'll continue the chain.
I'm not taking this platform as a competition, and I don't think anybody is my competitor. We all are here to win, to celebrate, to learn. I'm like here to celebrate everybody's achievement.
So I usually tell them to eat healthy meal plates where you need to keep the balance of carbohydrates, good fats, fiber, protein. Your plate should be really colorful, right? Yeah.
She's extremely sweet person.
Okay, got it. Okay, okay. Now it's your turn, and introduce yourself, please. Yeah. Okay.
The person sitting next to me here is Monica.
Okay.
She's a very kind and compassionate lady.
Okay. I would say you can clap. Okay, okay. Yes, we'll continue the chain. Yeah.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Monica.
Yeah.
And the person sitting next to me is my roommate.
Mhm.
And she is very, very friendly.
Okay. Okay. Great. Yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
My name is Nashika.
Okay.
And the person sitting next to me is Pravalika.
Uh-huh.
Pravalika, what I have understood and learned about her, that she's a very down-to-earth person.
Okay. 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 Great. Great.
डेफिनेटली ग्रूमिंग से हेल्प तो सभी कंटेस्टेंट्स को मिलती ही है. ये ऑफ कोर्स वो फिज़िकली आई थिंक आज मिले हैं ग्रूमर से, कुछ कल भी एक आध सेशन हुआ था डे 1 में भी. ऑनलाइन सेशंस हमने पहले कंडक्ट किए थे, लेकिन या उनसे जब आप किसी को फिज़िकली मिलते हो और वो सेशन Q&A में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है तो उससे पता चलता है कि कंटेस्टेंट्स कितना इंटरेस्ट से वो टॉपिक को सुन रहे हैं.
Now you, yeah, hi. So you can see and, yeah.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
And I'm sitting, Monica. She is very sweet. Like I talked to her. We are co-contestants in last year's Mrs. Invitation.
Oh, great, great, great. Okay.
We met there.
Uh-huh.
We talked a lot. So she's so sweet.
Okay.
Sweet person.
Okay, okay, okay. Please, please. ये रुकना नहीं चाहिए, you know. And just relax कीजिए. उसी के लिए हम ये गेम खेल रहे हैं, so that everybody should get relaxed, right? Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm Monica. So I'll talk about Madhu. She's sitting near to me. She's very cooperative and a soft-hearted person.
Okay, okay. Great, great.
Thank you so much for the. Whenever I see her, I just feel she's so joyful. And I always talking I always like talking to her like all the time. Hey, हम ये कर रहे हैं, हम वो कर रहे हैं, let's do that, let's ये. So yeah.
Okay.
This is the best thing I like about her.
Okay, okay, okay. Great.
The person sitting next to me is Ekta. Also happens to be my roommate. Most joyous and peppy girl around. So yes, that's her quality.
Okay.
She always keeps us happy.
Oh, lovely.
I'm Ekta.
Hi.
And Surabhi is very kind-hearted, and I love her total energy which she gets. Very positive.
That's great.
So the person sitting next to me is Preeti. I
Mhm.
think she's very friendly, and I like her confidence, the way she's telling. Thank you.
Wow.
Definitely, she's an influencer, so and she has lot of followers also.
Great.
If there is no cross question and people are just sitting and listening and the session is over, that means there is no engagement. So it was very engaging session. Everyone enjoyed it.
I am Preeti. Swati is very lovely. और कल से मैं देख रही हूँ कि मतलब वेरी कॉन्फिडेंटली ये शूट कराना वो करना जल्दी मतलब अपना पहले से सब कुछ रेडी करके
Great.
I just feel like she has a lot of patience in her. And that's a very good thing that not many people have that. And being at the age and she's having that patience is a great thing I consider.
Oh, okay.
Hello, my name is Komati and she is Sonal. I would say that she is very strong and good as she is having a leg fracture 1 month ago. And for the 4-5 days she was not able to memorize that she had a fracture. And still you cannot,
Make out.
Yeah, make out from her face the way she is handling her that she is going through a lot of pain.
Okay. Nice.
Hi, my name is Sonal, and because Komati has already said about me, so I will talk about Devika sitting right there. So we connected on Instagram right before the pageant, while entering, and we had a little convo where we had that thing, women lifting each other up, like she, naturally complimenting me, liking things about me, and I liking what she advocates for. And when I met her in person, I really liked how candid and natural she is, which is very rare these days.
Wow.
To begin, let's welcome someone whose energy fills every room she walks into. She is here to help you break barriers, overcome stage fear, and embrace your full potential. Please welcome Ms. Radhika Khanna for a power-packed session on confidence, stage presence, and finale preparation. Good evening, girls.
Good evening.
How's the Josh?
Hi.
What happened? How's the Josh? How's the Josh? How's the Josh? That's better. So before we get started, I would like for each one of you, to overcome your stage fear and to understand the nuances of what it takes to make a powerful presence felt. Think of one animal in your mind, first and foremost. Any animal trait that you resonate with and that you would like to carry forward for today evening's and tomorrow's session, okay? So can we have a mic for the girls? I'll just take 5 of you, okay? Anybody? Quickly.
ग्रूमिंग के दौरान सबसे बड़ी स्ट्रगल जो कंटेस्टेंट्स की होती है इज़ ओवरकमिंग देयर ओन मेंटल बैरियर्स. अब ग्रूमिंग में व्हेन कंटेस्टेंट्स स्टैंड अप, जितना भी आप उनको कितना भी आप ग्रूम कर लो, रेडी कर लो, बट अगर वो अपने माइंड से जैसे कहते हैं पीछे रह सकते हैं इन द सेंस दैट दे कांट ओवरकम द मेंटल थॉट प्रोसेसेस स्पेसिफिकली, ओके, then there is no confidence. They cannot enhance and give their best.
Yes. Anybody? Yes, please. At the back.
I think I resonate with Rabbit.
Okay.
They are a soft quality and pure, pure color.
Okay.
I believe that I want to carry pure heart.
Okay.
And I resonate with that.
Okay. Thank you so much. Anybody else?
I believe if I have to resonate with any animal, it must be lioness. Because I have that warrior quality. I have faced multiple challenges in life and overcome beautifully. And I believe that whenever you believe in yourself, you can achieve whatever you want. Yat bhavam tad bhavati. You become what you think. And that's why I'm here today. Thank you so
Great,
much.
great, great answer. Thank you. Anybody else? Yes.
I resonate myself with cats because I love cats very much because of their reflex actions, their cleanliness, and their walk, the cat walk, of course.
Great, great. Thank you, thank you. One more to go. Anybody?
Proactive approach से क्या होता है, when you tread on that territory, then the fear dissipates. Fear वो रहता नहीं है, and it's easy for them to give their best. The focus is actually, it stays on being mindful and giving and performing your best.
So do not hold in your head that this one is a winner or that one is a winner, because by the end of it, nobody knows. Yes? So all the very best to you once again. And yes, you had a question, please.
Things or burden happening with people.
Okay.
I'm kind of positive person and work so much on all the underconfident things. Only one thing that doesn't bother me, but still kind of I feel it's kind of a bit negative, might affect me even in future or even whatever I'm doing now, is being best everywhere. I want to expecting myself to be best. So from here, from BC, I want to make myself accept the journey and enjoy the journey. So I need tips from you.
Okay, great. That's a very good question. And it's not that something I've not heard before. It's called the perfection syndrome. Okay. Now what happens with the perfection syndrome is you overburden yourself with too much of expectations. Either you were told as a child that yes, this is what you should live up to, this is what you should do. So you've carried that all along, or maybe a set of failures has made you think that you cannot overcome.
Let's begin with our reigning Mrs. VEC Queen of India 2024, Diksha Nijhawan, who joined us to share her personal experiences, challenges, and lessons from her journey.
So how are you feeling all of you today? Why is your energy so low? I can't hear you. How are you feeling? Good. You must be super excited and nervous also at the same time. Because I still remember that last year, when in December, when I was sitting over there, I was super nervous. Super nervous. Like when they called my name and I was supposed to give an introduction, I really didn't know how I managed that. But what was the good part, Can you guess? Any guesses? I don't want to give a regular session. I want it to be interactive session. So any guesses? Sorry? Yes. That's the difference. That's the biggest difference.
I was like really feeling happy. Like I was a bit confused, perplexed, but Kirti ma'am, she really like खुद से उन्होंने मुझे बोला. I felt so light and how humble and how helpful she is.
Even I felt like she is available for everyone.
True.
And everyone who could come to her and ask her, she has a genuine reason to give them. Like this is good, this is bad.
Exactly.
So she's very good at it.
Also with all the groomers, we are not feeling shy कि हम पूछेंगे तो how we will look, कैसा impression
right,
जाएगा.
right.
They are
Yeah.
looking us like this. They are
Exactly.
all very comfortable. We all feel comfortable with
True.
them as well.
True.
And that's the most important part. Because if you are confident, you can do wonders in your life. But if you're not confident, even if you have all the skills, you won't be able to do it. So now that you have a family of VC, you have to keep few things in your mind. Whether you win or you lose, that's secondary. But this is your journey of transformation. And trust me, when you leave from here, you're going to find a new version of yourself. Do you agree?
Yes.
Louder.
Yes.
I don't even hear mic. So, let's start with your introduction. Is it okay? Can you come one by one?
Just small introduction, I just need your name, that's it.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Farha and I come from a beautiful city of Hills, Nainital. I'm working in Gurgaon and I'm living there since past 10 years now, and I'm a proud mother of 19-year-old daughter. I'm a charm professional and I'm very compassionate. I love to talk to people. I love to help others, and I'm here to make a difference in everybody's life. That's all about me. A brief introduction about me. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, very good afternoon. Quickly, I have met quite some of you from this year. I've met Survi, I've met Monica, I've met Ekta. But for the rest with whom I haven't had a very direct interaction, I would like to introduce myself again. Hello everyone, I'm Trishta Chaudhary and I'm the winner of Miss BEC Queen of India 2024, and I hail from Agartala, Tripura in the beautiful valleys of Northeast. Currently, I'm pursuing my MBA from New Delhi Institute of Management with a specialization in marketing and digital marketing. I also work voluntarily with Period Society for my state Agartala and also Delhi NCR. And I'm also very proud to introduce my own homestay and Airbnb experience called Misty Home to you all. So it's open for all of you whenever you wish to visit Agartala in the beautiful valleys of Northeast. Misty Home is always there to host you. So this has been my experience. I had fun. I wish all of you have fun. This is a competition, but it's also a competition within yourself first. Make that happen. Believe in yourself. And at the end of the day, crown with no crown, you're already a winner. So I think you've heard the song, Winner Takes It All. But yeah, so as a winner, have this mentality that you're always a winner, you're going to be a winner. And my mom always keeps on saying one thing, ki the day a woman is born is the day she's declared a queen. You do not need any other or anybody to tell you that you are a queen. The day you are born, you are a queen, right? And I always say, once a queen, always a queen. So the legacy always stays. So come here, all the very best to everyone. Give your best, lots of fashion, lots of glamour, lots of fun. I wish to see you all graciously in the talent round. This is your time, make it happen. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Most of you know me. So I know most of the people out here, Pravalika, Monica, again Monica. I know Sonal, I know her very well. I have a very interesting story with her that I'll share later on. Survi, I know most of the people I know. Ekta, I know you. Deepika, right? Yeah, Swati, she was a very good friend, your sister. So I'm here to talk today about runway. How many of you know about runway? What is runway? What's your idea about runway? What do you think about runways? How many of you know about runway? Most of you have walked runway. So अभी जो time है, practice करो. That will help you guys a lot in future for runways. Runways, again, there are different type of runways that you have. Designer might ask you to walk very fast, as per the music, as per the outfit. Some are very slow. Runways are always not about like just चल के जाना है and आना है. You have to show, pose yourself, show the outfit. Have you recently seen Bombay Times where Kangana's come back? Did you see her? The movie that she walked until now, it's the same. How gracefully she walks, how gracefully she's taking her outfit, how gracefully she's presenting herself. Yeah, that's what you has to be even later on. Every day you get to learn new things in runway, every day. अभी के जो contestant हैं, they are well groomed, they are more groomed, they are aware of everything right these days. आजकल shows, fashion shows, contestant pageants बहुत सारे हो रहे हैं. So yeah, they are very well groomed as well, and अभी बहुत ज़्यादा powerful है ये.
आज का सेशन कितना अच्छा था ना? सेशंस भी अच्छे थे और हम लोग का जो कोरियोग्राफी हुआ वो भी अच्छे से हुआ. Everything was good for today. आज की राउंड में किजार सर ने जैसे he explained everything. कितना अच्छा था, मतलब सब कुछ कितना अच्छा टाइम में सब कुछ हो गया, सब कुछ होके वाइंड अप करके.
अगर हम रैम्प वॉक नहीं करते, प्रैक्टिस नहीं करते, तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि आज हम कर पाते कुछ भी, वरना वे एक दूसरे का मुंह ही देखते रहते हैं वहाँ पे.
जस्ट यही है कि उन्होंने वाइंड अप अच्छे से करवाया, उसके बाद में जल्दी से जो प्रोग्राम है वो स्टार्ट हो गया।
मैंने
And
पिक्चर्स
after-
भी देखी थी, पिक्चर्स भी काफी अच्छी आई हैं जो है वहाँ की।
And after the sessions, I was searching you. You did not have
उसके
your
बाद हम
lunch
लंच
also.
के लिए गए, लंच में वेरी टेस्टी, लंच वाज टेस्टी और हेल्दी फूड किया मैंने तो भाई, क्योंकि मैं अपनी बॉडी को भी डिहाइड्रेट रखना चाहती हूँ।
Yes, yes. Even me too. I had salads. ज़्यादातर salads ही
वाला है
बने।
अभी 2 दिन हमारे लिए और।
Right.
सेशन के बाद मैं रूम में आई थी, रूम वाज सो नीट एंड क्लीन एंड
Everything
एवरीथिंग,
was
सब कुछ अपने प्लेस पे था। बहुत अच्छा था सब।
So the one thing which I was like unique and I want to follow in my life was you're stitching something, stitching a question, stitching your answer. So the one thing I like that, you know, never stop, just go with the flow. The flow, I like it. So that the one advice I have learned from Kirti ma'am. So that's the one thing.
ये मोनिका गलत बात है, मैंने बोला था ना मेरे सामने कर।
Yeah, you were in the washroom now.
मैं 5 मिनट के लिए गई थी, मेरे को भी देखना
We had, you know,
15 मिनट के लिए गए थे।
Actually,
अपने चेहरे पे आपने जो मास्क लगा के आप ऐसे चल के आए हो, मेकअप भी दिखाओ।
कितनी धूप थी, घिस-घिस के आई हूँ मैं बिल्कुल ही।
Good,
2
good.
बारी।
Actually, मधु ने भी परफॉर्म करके दिखा दिया, मैंने भी
हम एक और बार कर सकते हैं।
Now this is your
हम एक और
time.
बार कर
Come
सकते
and
हैं। तो आप हमें अपना डांस करके दिखाओ।
चलो, let's start.
बाद में दिखाऊंगी।
नहीं यार, अभी करना पड़ेगा, प्लीज करना पड़ेगा यार। अगर कुछ भी लाइक होगा ना, हमें लगेगा कि कहीं लैग कर रहे हो तो वी कैन एडवाइस ना कर सकते हैं।
हंसेगा नहीं है मेरे डांस पे।
डन।
My देसी girl,
ओए।
my देसी girl। गाना तो बजा दो। क्या है, बिना गाने के नाचूंगी क्या मैं अब?
नहीं, हम लोगों ने भी विदाउट म्यूजिक किया, तो यू हैव टू डू विदाउट म्यूजिक।
और जब वो स्टेज पे आज आए, so there is a huge difference in that. So definitely grooming, or as we have seen, we have all types of grooming involved, not only for the looks but also about how you're going to perform on the stage, how you're going to stand on the stage. So yeah, it is going to make a lot of difference, and I'm really hopeful and excited that how they're going to perform tomorrow on the finale day.
करारी चाय लबों से यूं पिलाओगे, न आए हो न आओगे, न दिन ढले सताओगे, न रात की नशीली बाय से नींद ये होश से उड़ाओगे। तुम गए हो क्यों हो, रात बाकी है, तुम गए हो क्यों हो।
ये है आज का, ये तो है, बट इसके बाद क्या है? अच्छा, नाम करो। अच्छा
Music, yes, yes, yes. Come on, can we have the music? बजाइए, louder. Come on, feel the music, everybody. It's your evening. Yeah, yeah. Volume, volume.
It was very good, very good. We enjoyed a lot. And मैंने जो परफॉर्म किया था मैंने मराठी it was a हिंदी मूवी सॉन्ग मुझे आजकल है इंतज़ार which was performed by Madhuri Dixit. So it was very good.
इट वाज जब उनको देखती हूँ ये सब ट्रेनिंग के टाइम पे, तो मुझे लास्ट ईयर का सीज़न भी याद आता है। वही लोग जो नए कंटेस्टेंट्स थे, आज वो क्वींस बन के हमारे साथ सेम टेबल पे दे वर जजिंग द न्यू कंटेस्टेंट्स. So I feel proud also, but I also see that our vision of VEC is getting completed, because it's one community. New contestants आ रहे हैं, सीख रहे हैं, inspire हो रहे हैं, not only from the groomers but also with the old contestants. So I'm very happy and I'm excited for our finale day. And I hope it is going to be a good one as we did last year. So we are going to rock again for sure.